So we've got images. Where are we at here? Let's see. Now we're going to go to the jQuery call for a food button. Now remember, whenever you name these, you can name it like, if you wanted to have a cars, that would be great. Great for you, like add a car. Clearly it's going to hit the Giphy API, even if you put in like Xbox or Wood or whatever you put it in. But the general category can't be really set for anything like that. But if you did like, oh, cars, Kyle's car, Camporium, or whatever, you can assign the website to that just on the H1 tag or whatever, and then all of your presets are going to be like, I'm sure BMW 3 Series, BMW 5 Series, BMW 3.5 Series, whatever. That way, you know, it fits to a certain theme. Don't have to do this, but it's good practice. And over here, you're also going to want to change, like, mine's food. So you want to change yours to like cars. So just a suggestion. But you can change it to shoes. You can change it to whatever you like. Anyway, I'm going to do remove class. Active. Going to remove the active class. I know you probably don't know what all of this means, but rest assured you will probably never use that call. Add class. Active. Now we're going to do let type equals jQuery call this dot attribute data type. Now we're going to do let query URL query URL equals, I'm just going to copy and paste this. Let's see, because I will mess up otherwise. See, did var right there, and make it let. Excuse me. Now we're going to make the Ajax call itself. So jQuery is, or Ajax is a jQuery call technically. URL query URL. Give me just a second. I think my headset is dying. Go figure. Get. We're going to do get, all caps in the get. Then that will close out this. The Ajax URL query URL method get. It's very distracting when your headset's making this noise, so that's just awesome. Give me just a second. I'm going to plug this in. If I can find a plug. I will just charge this after this current video. Okay, so we're going to do that then. So you do the Ajax and then dot then. In function. Can't type. Making noise in my ears. Response, open bracket, var results, let results. Do not do what I do. Equal response dot data. The data. What am I missing here? Okay, don't misspell things. It will ruin your life. Let result equal response.data. Now we're going to do a big ass for loop. So I'm going to try to breeze through this in the next 5 minutes because that's how much time I've got left. So for var I equals 0, I is less than results dot length I plus plus, let food div, or car div in your case, equals, like I said, you don't have to use that, but suggestion, div class equals kind of a weird operator right here. Nope, forward slash, or backslash, I guess. Food item slash quotation marks, caret, quotation marks. It's kind of a weird internal HTML operator, but don't really have to know that. We're going to do let rating equal results I dot rating. This just gets back from the objects that are passed from the Giphy API. They all have ratings, like PG-13. So something to think about. Now let p equals jQuery call. Sorry, my headset is yelling at me right now, and I don't have any more USB ports. Close that. So we got jQuery call, parentheses, quotations, caret, p, then reverse all that. Then dot text equals, I'm going to do the rating, and then a space after the colon or the semicolon, so that it, lets it have a space in between that and the actual rating, or plus rating is what we're going to do. Rating. Let animated equal results I images dot fixed height. This is something kind of just want to pay attention to. Sorry, I'm trying to pay attention as I'm writing. So we're going to do let still. So some of these are still images until you roll over them. Let still equals results I. This code can get kind of jumbled sometimes, so always double check after each line during this for loop, if you will. Dot fixed height dot URL. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and end this one and then pick up on the next one.